We are going to learn sleeping line. Draw dot on both the ends and then try to join the dots by drawing a line. To draw the sleeping line, you have to make two dots from the mouse till the cheese, and then you have to join the dots. The mouse will go and eat the cheese. This is called sleeping line. The clouds are moving in the sleeping line. You can see the clouds are moving in the sleeping line. There are white sleeping line. The yellow line on the road is the sleeping line. You can see the boy is walking in the sleeping line and the car was moving in the sleeping line. This arrow says the sleeping line. This is the sleeping line. In the 4-line book, you have to draw the margin and make two dots on the blue line. And you have to draw a sleeping line. If you cannot draw a sleeping line, so you can also put many dots and then trace the sleeping line. You can see this is the sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Continue doing this way the entire page. This is standing line. From the red line to the blue line, you have to come downwards for the standing line. And for the sleeping line, you have to go forward from the right to the left or else from the left to the right in the sleeping line. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.